1876. In the Black Hills of Dakota Territory, an unruly gold camp named Deadwood became the destination for a rabble of fortune seekers. In those days, visitors didn't care much for the rules. Some things never change. In 1989, South Dakota voters were asked to approve limited stakes gaming in Deadwood with the promise that it would be used to generate funds for preservation of the National Historic Landmark. Deadwood delivered. To date, over $200 million has been collected and used for promotion, infrastructure repair, the preservation and restoration of historic structures, and to help fund the ongoing operation of historic nonprofit attractions like museums and re-enactors. Today, Deadwood is a year-round destination, teeming with history, events, outdoor recreation, gaming, saloons, live entertainment, unique shopping and dining, all surrounded by more than 1 million acres of national forest and many nearby national parks, monuments, and memorials. For more information and to plan your trip, visit Deadwood.com. Deadwood, untamed since 1876.